Kita mulakan
And
rakaman
action.
sekarang. Okay. Kak Cha boleh start.
Okay, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Saya Nur Aisyah bin Nazri dan kawan saya Aisyah Muhammad Zaini, Aisyah Najiha, Umi Amira. Okay, kami berempat ingin diskuskan topik yang kami pilih produk Palmyra.
Okay. So, kita mulakan dengan introduction. Okay.
Palmyra, it was run by a family in Kampung Tanah Merah, Johor. Initially, before Palmyra was developed, it was sold across the street under an umbrella. But now the Pau brand continued to grow in the food industry when its entrepreneur, Mr. Ramijo, success in setting up a company to supply the increasingly popular freezer.
Okay.
Not only do you know he sells, other frozen food also go on sale such as frozen curry puff, ranch, satay, and more. Palmyra frozen food. Okay. Have you ever thought of selling pau? Well, this is the place it if you want to buy wholesale so much to sell can to eat yourself can to serve during a big event can also. Palmyra frozen food which supplies various flavors such as meat pau, chicken pau, bean pau, black pepper, carbonara pau from mini pau to large pau. Supplier of pau are delicious and fluffy only Palmyra, feeling wanted again. Hi, I know not all pau is delicious, you know. I used to buy pau at R&R. The most disappointing is if you can get a pau that is a little hardcore, and the saddest thing is like eating bread instead of eating pau TNT because the pau is really delicious. I made this review sincerely. Let's support our nation business, the Malay race.
Okay.
Okay. Objective mission and vision of Background Southern Test Enterprise. Objective: expanding market overseas, convert SMEs to commercial, ensure Muslims use clean and halal product. For motto, halal is your top choice. Missions: want to be the leading manufacturer and supplier of frozen food and ensure that Muslim consumers have an alternative to buying halal food products.
Okay. Mission.
Missing: offering the best frozen food by always focusing on quality in every product production before being marketed and improving the economic status of the local.
Okay.
Okay, 6 logo Palmyra, 7 address, and 8 weight Palmyra, with ingredient, next ingredient. Okay, ingredient Palmyra, 1 kg of pau flavor, 1 teaspoon baking powder. The above two ingredients are sifted together. Material A, 1 teaspoon salt, 1/2 cup corn oil or cooking oil, to 1 per 4 cup water, 11 gm's, 1 tablespoon sugar, 2 tablespoons sweetened condensed milk, 1 egg. Combine the above ingredient and stir until sugar dissolve. Ingredient B.
Okay. Ini inti power recipe.
For Palmy recipe from Mira frozen ingredient, 1 packet of Mak Siti meat curry spice. Make sure the new Mak Siti brand is delicious. 2 cloves garlic, 1 inch gingers, 4 onion, 1 kilo of meat. My case is not enough meat, so mix a little chopped chicken, 4 potato seeds, 1 onion stalk, 1 stalk of soy leaf, 1 per 3 of wheat flour that has been mixed to cook regular curry. You do not need to put these 3 ingredients. A little sugar and salt as a seasoning.
Okey. Itu
The
saja.
next for Jiha.
Okay, next. I'm Nur Aisyah Najiha, so I want to explain about the definition of cost statement. So in the cost statement, all of these cost elements, which are direct materials, direct labor, and overhead production, have been calculated to find the cost of goods produced. All overheads, such as administration and sales, and distributing additional production expenditure to get a certain amount of production for a given period. Cost statement or cost sheet provide management documents that state the cost of running a project, running a department, direct workers, and overheads. Okay. Direct materials is referred to raw materials or part used to make products. For example, the raw materials is pulp. Pulp is the raw materials, but for do the pulp we using a floor. So the floor is raw materials. Okay, next, labor directly refer to the labor required to create and complete the product. Next, overhead consists of standard related to product, implementation such as insurance, utilities, rentals, and machine depreciation. Next point, cost statement also include sections such as direct indirect workers that cover indirect workers that present unavoidable expenses. Okay. Next is 3.0. Explain about the objective of the cost statement. Cost accounting objectives are cost determination, sale price, recording, and presentation of cost data to management to measure efficiency and for cost control and cost reduction. Determine profitability of each activity, assist management in making discussion and determining solution. The goal is to know how goods, salaries, and expenses are spent, classified and allocated so that product and service costs are accurately estimate. These costs may be related to sale and profit. Next, okay. 4.0 is format of the cost. You can see the formula how to count the cost statement about the power lah. We can see the direct material. Okay, after we include the open inventory plus purchase of raw material plus carriage inward plus input duty minus closing of raw materials, we can get cost of raw material estimate. And then you include the direct labor, direct expense, royalty if you have, and then you will get the prime cost. Okay, next. Okay, you can see lah after that a lot of the formula until you get the total of cost. Next.
Okey, Umi dah boleh start.
Okay. Nama saya Umi Amira binti Muhammad dan saya akan bentangkan tentang cost responsibility to produce the product. Okay. Direct cost sekarang ni saya akan terangkan tentang direct cost. Dalam direct cost ada direct material. Okay, dekat direct material, direct material ada tepung, daging dan juga kentang. Okay. Tepung dalam 300 gram darab dengan 12,000 paket akan dapat 3,600 kg, darab 2 akan dapat 7,200. sama je yang lain macam pengiraan ni sama, dia menggunakan gram darab dengan unit sol, darab dengan harga per unit. And then direct material production worker wages. 50 ringgit dalam sehari untuk 2 orang pekerja. So sehari tu 100 darab dengan 30 hari akan dapat 30,000. Kalau kita darabkan dengan 12 bulan akan dapat jumlah dia 3,000 36.
Okey.
36,000.
Okay, yang kedua adalah cost overhead. Dalam cost overhead ni bahagian untuk membuat inti pau macam tu lah. Kita ada Mak Siti curry mix spicy, garlic, onion, ginger, spring onion, parsley, sugar, salt, bergas, oil,
Refrigerator.
Okay. Steaming pot, curry leaf, cooking utensil, milk can, gas stove, yeast, carbonate of soda, eggs, utilities, factory supervisor salary. Bahagian factory supervisor salary ni 40 ringgit sehari untuk seorang pekerja. Jadinya RM40 dapat dengan 30 hari akan dapat 1,200 dan darab dengan 12 bulan akan dapat 14,400. And then administrative overhead. Okay. Dalam administrative overhead ialah office employees salary 1,200 setiap bulan setiap untuk 2 orang pekerja. So jadinya 1,200 darab 2 orang dan darab dengan 12 bulan akan dan jumlah dia ialah 28,800. And then selling and distribution overhead. Dia dalam dia ialah periklanan, advertising, packaging and delivery. And then dia darab, ni semua darab per bulan sebab kita nak guna setiap bulan kan, so darab dengan setiap bulan and then akan dapat dia punya jumlah.
Okey. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Nama saya Siti Nuraisyah binti Mak Zaini. Okey, sekarang saya akan terangkanlah cara mengira cost statement of good manufacture for the year ended 2019. Okey, ni ialah statement cost untuk tahun 2019 untuk Palmyra. Okey, ini direct material dia. Kita campurkan akan dapat dia punya nilai, dan untuk dapatkan prime cost, campuran dia direct material campur direct labor, dan untuk dalam dia punya formula sebenar ada direct expenses, tapi kita tidak ada, cuma tambahkan dengan direct labor, direct material saja. Okey, seterusnya kita buat pengiraan production overhead yang macam Umi terangkan tadi daripada awal sampai habis. So untuk dapatkan manufacturing cost, prime cost campur dengan production overhead. Okey, ke bawah. Okey, so manufacturing cost nilainya 94,615 14 sen. Okey, so untuk dapatkan total cost manufacturing cost kita tambahkan dengan administrative overhead dan juga selling and distribution overhead. So kita akan dapat nilai total cost lah sebanyak 131,815 ringgit 14 sen. Okey, seterusnya kita akan tengok break even point untuk Palmyra pada tahun 2019 lah. Break even point dikenali sebagai pulangan modal. Okey, jadi kita akan tengok pulangan modal Mira pada tahun 2019. Okey, untuk formula break even point, okey, sebelum tu kita tengok break even point punya formula. Di nombor 3, break even point sama dengan fixed cost bahagi selling price tolak dengan variable cost. Okey. So, sebelum untuk kita kira break even point, kita kena cari fixed cost, selling price dan juga variable. Okey, jadi kita tengok ke fixed cost dahulu. Okey. Atas nombor 1. Nombor 1.
Conclusion.
Okey ni. Okey. So, untuk kira fixed cost, dia punya formula adalah administrative overhead tambah selling and distribution tambah juga production overhead. Okey. So, apabila kita sudah tambah, nilai-nilai ni kita ambil daripada cost statement manufacturer di bahagian atas tadi. Jadi inilah hasilnya RM62,695.14. Okey, selepas kita dah dapat fixed cost, kita mesti cari selling price. Okey, selling price ni adalah harga bagi satu packaging pau. Contoh untuk pau daging tadi, untuk bahan-bahan pau daging tadi seluruhnya RM15 sepaket. Dalamnya ada 6 unit gitu. Okey, jadi kita tentukanlah RM15 kan. Okey, sekarang variable cost. Variable cost, prime cost bahagi dengan unit sold. Ataupun prime cost juga adalah direct material, direct expenses dan direct labor. Jadi itulah nilai untuk itulah prime cost kita bagi dengan unit sold 12,000. Okey, jadi dapat RM5.76. So, break even point kita RM62,695.14 bahagi dengan 15 tolak RM5.76. So, kita dapat 6,785 unit. Okey, untuk tahu pelanggan modal kita bagus ke tidak, dia kalau boleh jangan melebihi 50% ataupun kurang daripada 50%. So kalau boleh antara 50-60 gitu dah baguslah untuk tu. Jangan kurang sangat, jangan tinggi sangat. So pulangan modal yang bagus macam ni lah. Kalau boleh dalam 50 ni, dalam tak silap saya dalam 53 macam tu, untuk kita tahu macam tu lah nanti untuk tu. Okey, jadi itulah dia punya pulangan modal bagi Palmyra untuk tahun 2019. Okey, so dah. Seterusnya Aisyah Najiha.
Okay, 8.0, so I will explain about conclusion. In conclusion, we know how to prepare and calculate the cost statement to get total cost of Palmyra. Next, we can make a complete selling price of our products to know the profit of pounds per unit. Apart of that, we know how to calculate our sales budget and cash budget. We can organize our inventory of pounds and our price of product per unit. Last but not least, our pounds are the best and top quality of food. We sold our pounds in many quantities and we can get much profit from selling our pounds. Okay, so that's all for the conclusion.
Okey, jadi ia dah berakhir. So, dah siap lah.
This is the reference.
Yes.
9.0 is the
Yeah.
reference.
So, kita dah dapat lah pulangan modal kita. Dah habis, dah tamat. Jadi, itu saja pada hari ini. Okey. So, terima kasih.
Ya, terima kasih.
Terima kasih. Hentikan rakamannya.
Sama.
Okey.